Imagine walking into a mall and the cameras already know who's carrying a gun. This isn't a future pitch, it's AI weapon detection, and it's rolling out right now. The problem AI is trying to solve. Gun violence and mass shootings have pushed schools, malls, and airports to look for new defenses. Metal detectors are slow, bag checks aren't perfect, but AI promises something different. Real-time surveillance that can spot weapons instantly, even in a crowd. It's sold as safety, but it feels like stepping into a sci-fi movie where the walls themselves are watching. How it works. These systems use advanced computer vision models like YOLO of 8, trained on thousands of images of pistols, rifles, and knives. The AI learns the shapes and outlines of weapons. Mounted on security cameras, it scans every frame in real time. When it detects a gun, it instantly alerts security, locks doors, or calls police. It's like giving cameras a sixth sense, not just seeing movement, but knowing what that movement means. The promise. Supporters say AI weapon detection could save lives. Schools could lock down before a shooter even raises their weapon. Stadiums could identify threats without slowing down tens of thousands of fans. Police could arrive on scene already knowing who's armed. It's prevention at machine speed, faster than human reaction. The concerns. But here's where it gets messy. AI isn't perfect. False alarms could cause chaos. Imagine a crowded mall stampeded by an alert that turned out to be someone holding an umbrella. Then there's privacy. To work, these systems need constant surveillance. Every face, every movement analyzed by AI. That means living in a world where cameras aren't just recording, they're judging. Where it's already being tested. Pilot programs are already underway. U.S. schools are testing AI cameras integrated with lockdown systems. Airports are exploring it as an add-on to existing scanners. Some police forces are experimenting with real-time AI monitoring tied to body cams and patrol drones. What once sounded like Black Mirror fiction is quietly being installed in real buildings right now. The bigger question. AI weapon detection raises a paradox. Do we accept constant AI surveillance if it means safer schools and cities? Or does trading privacy for security just create a digital police state? Because once AI can spot guns, what stops it from being trained to spot protests, faces, or suspicious behavior? The tech is powerful, but the line between protection and control has never been thinner. AI weapon detection cameras promise safety at machine speed, but they also bring a future where you're never unseen. The question isn't if they'll be everywhere, it's whether we'll be safe or just watched. This is Techrupt. Subscribe now before the walls themselves start calling the cops.